Hello and welcome to the short tutorial about Morf back office tutorial. First of all, let's try to log in the WordPress. For this, you will need to add to the core URL vp admin. Please mind that you should not use the bottom line. So you can only use this upper line and not the bottom one. This one is not correct. So you go to the VP admin. You will be redirected automatically if you have been using the password. If you haven't been using it, you will be shown the login interface first. The password will be shared separately. You can use the Remember Me for saving the password and not proceeding this anymore. So you log in and you see the WordPress dashboard. Basically here you don't need any kind of thing. This is just a basic dashboard with some of the plugins which you don't usually use. So you have several sections that you may need. So you can go to the website itself. You can try to edit the user details or log out in here. You have pages in here. This is the place where you can find the editable pages template, like homepage or about page or athletes or thank you page or anything else that should be editable in terms of the static content. So you have here about, athletes, the card, the checkouts, where you can edit the content. So this is list of the pages. To edit the products, you can go to the products below WooCommerce. So you can see all the products that have been edited. You can see which categories they are edited to. You can use the edit to go to the full edit modes. You can use the quick edits to edit just the slug, the title, the text, the pricing, and so on. For the categories, you will be needing this link at the product section. So you'll be able to rename any of the categories. There is the hierarchy between the categories, which means that you have the first level category, like clothes, that isn't visible anywhere, and this covers the type of clothes you're showing. This can be accessories, this can be running shirts, running top, t-shirts. So that is something that you see on the homepage, on the third screen. So there is where we have some of the clothes categories in here. Currently these are the two of them. It can be more of them, but these are the clothes categories. And you have the sex, meaning the gender. And this is the type of the categories which you see up here. So that can be woman, that can be man. And here you have clothes categories within the woman. So these are the different type of categories, different hierarchy. First is here, the other one is here. So if you will be ever needing any other categories like bags or shoes, you should be adding the categories in here. You should add the identical slug in here. But for the parent category, you will be needing to choose clothes. You can add the description and you can upload the image that may be visible on the homepage in case you will showcase this category on the first screen of the homepage. So if you will be ever needing to show this category somewhere in here, please make sure that you have been uploading this thumbnail. For the products, you can go to the list of products. You can clone the existing one. You can edit it. You can quick edit it. You can delete it. This red button stands for delete. So for editing it, you need to go inside. You need to, here you can select the name of the product, which is being used as the homepage title. Not the homepage, but the product page. Here you can edit the URL for this shirt. Here you can edit the general description. There is the CEO text, which can be edited as well. Here are the product types that you can edit. So you can edit the pricing. You can edit the attributes, meaning the size and color, by adding new ones in here. So all that have been previously edited, you can select in here both the color and the size. If you will ever need to have any different attributes like the new color, you should go to attributes in here over the product section. You should go and select color or size. Let's say you need a different size. You go to the size, and in here you can add the new one. So let's say you need XS or XL or XXL. So you can add them in here, and after you add them, they will be available for selection at the product details. Moving on, you have the appearance, where you can edit some of the theme options, meaning the general stuff that is visible throughout all the pages. So the top menu pages are here. That is the header menu that you are able to edit through changing the order, minusing or plussing the different pages that you will need to show. For the bottom menu, you will be also able to, in case you need to clone legal into any other text page, you can clone it on the pages section, and then you can edit in here, and it will automatically appear over this left corner. You can also add phone here once you have the contact phone that you can use for the company. You have email and copyrights edited in here. The socials are edited here. And the other means the delivery time notice that is available on checkout page. You can edit this in here. For all the pages, you have the plugin called Yoast SEO available for changing the page titles, for changing the page search engine attributes. Let's say we go to the home page in here. So here, if you open Yoast SEO, you're able to edit this SEO elements for the mobile and for the desktop. So you can check in this one with the team that will be helping you with the SEO or PPC campaigns. This is fully editable for all the pages, so you can select it in here. The content for the homepage is editable here. So the main screens, the second screen, and the first screen with the categories. If you will ever need to have a link to the accessorized category, you can put a sign here as existing category. Once you do that, you will be available to see the See All button leading to the category page in here, same as the woman. But you will need to add the products first, or it will be just blank. For the filters, you can select filter here. You can apply them, pretty much every filter. For the newsletter, this form is fully working. If you ever need to change the type of the subscriber list that it has been integrated to, you'll be need to change the ID in here. So you will need to insert the different API key, and you can have this form submitting the customers into the different mailing lists. If on any matter you will need to have a different mailing list to collect the customers, just in case.